In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup elements in Canva. Whether you're working on a dynamic presentation or a standout social media post, knowing how to ungroup elements can give you the creative flexibility you need to fine-tune your design. So let's dive into the process and make your Canva experience even more versatile. First, you'll need to head over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently positioned in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it and sign in using your preferred method. Canva offers a variety of login options for your convenience. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or simply with your email. Choose the option that suits you best and continue to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the project you want to work with. This could be a project you've been working on previously or a new one that you've just started. Navigate through your saved designs, and when you find the right one, simply click on it to open up the Canva editor. Now that your project is open, you'll want to focus on the elements that you're interested in ungrouping. Begin by clicking on the group of elements you have in mind. When you select these elements, you'll notice a floating toolbar appear. This toolbar is incredibly useful as it provides various options to modify your design at a glance. On this toolbar, you will find the Ungroup button. It's typically located near the options for aligning or organizing the elements. Go ahead and click Ungroup. With just this simple step, you've separated the previously grouped elements, giving you complete freedom to edit them individually. Now that the elements are ungrouped, you have the ability to edit each one separately. This is where the real creativity begins. You can move them around the canvas, resize them according to your needs, or even change their color and other properties. This ability to make individualized alterations lets you tailor every aspect of your design, ensuring that it meets your vision perfectly. That's all there is to it. With these easy to follow steps, you've mastered the art of ungrouping elements in Canva. This skill not only enhances your editing capabilities, but opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your projects. As you continue to explore Canva, you'll find endless ways to elevate your designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to take full advantage of Canva's design features. Happy designing, and see you next time.